kanti nina I lost my phone at the event. Kanjani ngisho ngabe kuthiwa okay fine ke like ngishiyile okay fine ngishiyile so but ukuthi uthathe ifone and then ubuze ukuthi eyaba you even see the wallpaper ukuthi imina. Kanjani yo.
Singer Naledi Aphiwe accuses celebrities for stealing her phone laphana ku-album launch Big Zulu. Uthini Bandle Sona niyantshontsha uthi bantu balaphana ama-celebrities only and ngibo nje vele nakanjalo abantshontshele ifoni yakhe kude umuntu alangayintshontsha because yakuze bekunabo Dominic kunabo Azande kunabantu abaningi njena labe balaphana uthi njena kufanele kungibo labantshontsha ifoni yakhe and I'm just sitting here kuthi gele accuse abantu ngeliqala lelingaka simbonile ke ugele lapha nabe kabhiza show offer iPhone 16 yakhe so uthi ifoni yakhe njena bayintshontshile ene uthi overbuhlungu ukuthi bamtshontshele ifoni yakhe. She was even crying lapha na ku TikTok. People were asking her ukuthi awukhoni yini kuyi-tracker down awukhoni kuyithola ifoni yakho yini. So ugele uhamba uyophendula nje laphana athi babandle sona abantu ma-influencers amandla kangaka sangaze ngitshontshele ifoni yami gele yo and people are dragging ugele ethi hayibo awekele wena kuba ne-drama nje. Some people are just saying ukuthi hayibo wena you're so dramatic nje uhlezi ufuna ukuthi utrend uhlezi ufuna ukuthi kukhulunywe ngawe labantu abakantshontsha ngefoni yakho. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Sengihembe.